Hi guys! Came from the Creators Confidential and we got our swag bags! Yeah! So much stuff to unpack. Let's get into it. New chips. Tortilla? Oh my, that's a lot, bro.
I'm overwhelmed.
This
is my favorite dry shampoo.
Ooh, that's cool.
Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo.
Oh, I need this.
Gosh, I can't find mine, but I'm excited for
Okay.
that.
I like that. Sunscreen?
Sunscreen.
Thank God, I need that for vacation.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
It's like Christmas.
I know.
United Plant Protein.
Oh, that's cool. It's a creamy latte. I like the packaging.
Mhm.
Oh, I need a good moisturizer.
Mexico.
Oh, Mexico. Is this like seaweed? I'd never had a setting mist before.
Yeah, matte and not sweaty.
For Mexico.
Mexico. Tartlet.
Tartlet.
Tart.
Target.
I like that laugh.
Innisfree.
I got the roll-on depuff.
Oh.
You trying to say something? Wow.
Damn.
Whoa. Okay. Swedish dishcloth.
Oh wow. That's I love these.
Is this the one you saw?
Well, I
And
mean, like,
Scream?
yeah, I'm, yes, Laneige. This is like really good.
She's like really good.
She's really good.
Really good. A lot of videos right here. Wait,
Yeah.
who are you punching? Toothpaste tablets.
Oh, Mexico.
Mexico.
This is so cute. This is cute. Creator Confidential.
Bye.
Bye.
Like literally.